Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name's Janelle. I upload new videos every Wednesday, and today I'm here with this makeup look right here. I really didn't know what I wanted to film today, and I just kind of went with it, and this is a look that we came up with, and I actually really like this. I think this is perfect for any sort of special occasion, date night, just kind of a soft glam cranberry look. So if you guys want to see how I got this, definitely keep on watching. But before you go anywhere, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified every Wednesday when I upload. I love you guys so much, and let's jump into this makeup look. Alright, so my skin is prepped, my brows are on, so now let's jump in. I already applied my concealer all over my eyelid to prime my eyes for shadow, and I set it with a powder. Alright, so today I'm going to be playing with my Morphe 35M palette with all these beautiful colors in it. To start off this look, I'm actually going to go into my Jaclyn Hill palette and just use these for my transition color. So I'm going to take this color with a fluffy brush and buff that all in my crease. I'm going to take this color in the 35M palette with a smaller blending brush and put that a little bit deeper. So for that one, I'm going to take a MAC 217 and barely tap into it and start working it below. Once I have a good amount of that, I'm going to dip back in one more time and then just slowly deepen it up. So next I'm going to take this deeper berry color and I'm going to start packing that on that outer corner of my eye with the same brush. So I'm just literally patting it kind of at an angle from the last third of my eye and angling it up, and then softly blending it into my crease without bringing it too high up. Take my clean blending brush, soften up the edges. I'm going to work whatever's left on my brush just in this front area here. Next I'm taking this really pretty cranberry color in the palette and I'm going to pack that all over my eyelid. I'm going to be wetting my brush with setting spray. Next, I'm going to be taking MAC Tan Pigment. It's like a gorgeous rosy gold color. And I'm going to be focusing that on that front part of my eyelid. And again, I'll be wetting my MAC 242 with some Fix Plus. I'm going to take some more of the matte berry color that we put in our crease and just blend out the edges. So lately for foundation, I've been loving the Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation. So I'm going to use mine on the colors Cork and Cashew. This one is super light, this one's super dark, so mixing it together, it's like the perfect combo. This foundation is just bomb. It gives good coverage, it gives a soft sheen, but it's still like matte enough to where my skin won't just like sweat it off. And then we're going to be blending it out using a beauty blender. So lately for my foundation, I've been trying to get it to just not be so matte, but obviously I can't handle something super dewy. But I still want my skin to kind of look like skin, even though I use a bunch of product on it. And that's why I've been really enjoying this foundation, because as you can see, although it's very full coverage, you still are left with a little bit of that sheen left in it. And then to highlight and brighten up my under eyes, I'll be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Mine is in the color Light Medium Honey. It's definitely a little bit too light, but I always make it. And then to contour my nose, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild contour stick in the color Call Me Maple. I'm just going to take a small pencil brush and use that to outline the sides of the contour, starting where my brow is, and then just slowly bringing it down. Trick to looking like you got a nose job. Now I can blend out my concealer. To set my whole face, I'm going to be using my MAC Studio Fix powder in C4. And this is my favorite brush to like push it into the skin with. This is my Sony Kashuk like round powder brush. I have had this since like I started my channel. Like super early on, I remember getting this brush and I still love and swear by it. Just blend out any creases under my eyes before I apply powder there. And then I'm just going to lightly press it inward. I'm now going to bake my under eyes using my Essence Banana Powder and my Beauty Blender. Now, I definitely need to pick up another one of these powders. but this is so good for under the eyes because the powder is so fine and it just brightens up the under eye area really nice. Now I'm gonna warm up my skin using my MAC Give Me Sun bronzer. I'm gonna focus this at my hairline first. Alright, I'm now just gonna bake underneath of my bronzer. And for blush today, I'm going to be using the color Gingerly by MAC right here. It's one of my favorites. I just love how it gives like a bronzy, blushy blush to the cheeks. Then I'm just going to wipe away this bake. Taking my MAC Hyper Real Highlight Palette. This is the rose gold one. I'm just going to take the center color and put that down the tip of my nose to highlight it. And also along my Cupid's bow and a little tiny bit at the tip of my tear duct just to brighten that area a little. I'm also going to take a tiny bit just at the center crease of my eye here just to highlight it a little. I'm going to mist my face with some Fix Plus. So next I'm going to take that same berry color that we used in the crease and I'm going to smoke that along my lower lash line. And now I'm just going to take a clean blending brush. I'm going to dip into the same color and then lightly use that to just blend it out. I'm now just going to quickly prep for false lashes using my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara and I'm going to apply it to my top and bottom lashes. And then for lashes today, I'm going to be using this pair that I got from Amazon. I'll link it below, but they're just super fluffy and they were literally $2. They're so pretty though. To outline my lips, I'm going to be taking Plum Lip Pencil by MAC. And then I'm going to be taking the shade Princess Incognito. This is a part of the MAC Aladdin collection. It's like the perfect nude. And then to lighten up the center of my lip, I'm taking my Morphe Liquid Lipstick in Virgin. And I'll just lightly tap it here. Alright, and then last to kind of make the inner corner a little pinky, I'm going to take this Last Dance Dazzle Shadow by MAC and just put a little bit in the inner corner. And a little on the lid. Alright guys, so here you have it. This is the completed look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching me achieve this look. If you did happen to like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you're notified every Wednesday when I upload. I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!